Okay, hello again. So I'm doing this third recording now for Windows. So here I am just on my window on my Mac, and I'm going to just tab over to the virtual machine on Windows. So here you can see we have Windows open. I should have opened up Aeloria. So if you go to aeloria.org, and you should be able to open and see the um should be able to see the website. So now I'm just gonna go here to download just to make sure. Yeah, so I'm gonna remove this. This is the old version. All right. Okay. So now, okay. So we go to download on Windows, and the same thing. For example, with Mac, we just click download, and then you should be able to download. So now it's going to have like a warning at the moment, because it's our first published application that we are publishing for our own website, and there's still some we still need to like update it. This is an open beta at the moment, so if we press this here, if we just double click this to open, wait, so see more, wait, okay, give me 1 second. Okay, so here we just press keep, mm, and we press see more, and then keep anyways. Okay, so I believe it is Edge that is doing like a check, like a double check, just to make sure it's not a malware and stuff like that. So here we just open up, and there's another check that Microsoft does. It's not a malware. The publisher is unknown. This is our first application. We've not really. We want to get people onto the beta, and to test out the application. So here we can run this application anyways. Okay, so the application is launching. I'm just gonna set it up quickly. The screen is gonna go black a bit. Okay, so here I'm using Shadow PC to be able to have the virtual Windows computer, and I'm just gonna click and enable the Roku head cam USB. So if you have like a USB camera, webcam or something like that you can wear on your face, or even if it's in front of you, you can still use it. And I'm just gonna relaunch this application, since that I have just entered that in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to here, and I'm going to go to here, and I'm just going to double click. The video is going to pause for a sec. Just give me 1 second. Okay, so here we are back, and here we can see we have selected the camera. I'm just going to take off my glasses, and here you should be able to see that the application is detecting the face. It's going to be a bit laggy since that it's streaming over from my computer to the virtual machine and so on. But yeah, yet again I have the same issue, with recording at the same time and stuff like that. But this time, because it's a powerful PC over the web, I'm going to just run Unreal. I'm going to open it up for you, and I'll just show you how it actually looks. So I've already got some characters in place, and I have an environment. So I'm just going to go to Epic Games, and then let me just pause for a sec. Okay, so I have launched it up. So here we have my project is launching, and we have the facial motion capture running in the background. This is from my Mac to the PC. if you have an actual PC, it will be in real time. But because there's like latency with streaming and stuff like that, it's gonna be slow on the video. But we have the application running, and we are not connected yet, so we'll connect ourselves after. But yeah, so if you have like a Rococo suit, you should be able to animate your stuff and also have free facial, animation with this open beta this open beta application. So I'm gonna pause just so that it's not taking time. Okay, so the application has launched, it's loading. So now I have my scene here. Let me just put on my glasses. Right, so now we have Dalia and Milo. They're both here. Right, okay, so now if I select Talia, and then so here you should be able to see the so I don't think I showed this in Mac, but it should be the same thing. So you should be able to have the live link, and then you should be able to go into the application, and then you should be able to select Unreal and then connect. And then since that you connect, so now it shows here up inside the application, and since that is connected, now you should be able to select AR kit face subject, and then you should be able to select this AR kit capture. It should really, okay, so if I just press use, and you should be able to see. So now because the webcam is a bit slow, it's laggy, you can see the previous stuff that I've been saying happening on her face. But yeah, so you can see her facial expression is a bit weird. Give me 1 second. Okay, oops, that's too much. Right, so we can see her facial expression. If we go to here, we've got facial expression happening. So, and then we enter here, and then we just go into into here. So now, so these are these are previous things that I've been saying, since that it's a bit like it's a bit off. So if I just disconnect and then connect properly, but basically it should be the same thing as the Mac version. Yeah, so you can see her eyes moving a bit. It's a bit slow at the moment, but yeah, this is what I tried to do. So you should be able to download it from the from the website. Download the Windows, open up the executable file. You should be able to see the facial expressions being recorded, and then going into here. So if I just put it like maybe by side, you should be able to see what is happening, like where it actually picks it up and stuff like that. Yeah, so okay. Give me 1 sec. I'm gonna pause. Yeah. Okay, there you go. So you can see I was talking previously, and I had my glasses on, and then I removed them, and the facial motion capture has been taken, and you can see her eyes rolling to the left, to the right. You can adjust. The same as with Matt. You can adjust the sensitivity. You can adjust the sensitivity of some bits that like parts that you want to adjust and stuff like that. You can adjust it however you like it, and yeah. So, and here if you guys like this application, if it's useful for you, and if it helped you in your project, like your film project or your video game project, please consider using the donation button and just help us out to be able to develop our application further. We want to get people on board, like the beta testers and stuff like that, so that our new project that we are going to be launching, they can have like benefits from that as well. But yeah, and I'm gonna have like maybe like a Google Forms to be able to just collect beta testers who have actually used this application, and also be able to get reviews and stuff like that on this application. But yeah, hopefully this application can help you in your project, and thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video as well, and I hope that you have a great day. Take care. See ya.